cam?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, he's okay.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Yeah.
Just be
Make
shaky.
sure you get yourself checked out.
Yeah, come on mate, we'll have a little chat. Can we get off the way? Alright then, you in any pain or?
Nah, just a shock.
What do you want to do then? You want to go for insurance or do you want me to pay for it?
You want a sugary drink?
Nah, I'm alright, thank you. Nah, I'm alright. Don't worry, yeah.
Sugary drink, water?
I'm alright, thank you. Yeah, just a bit shaky from, you know.
Yeah, what do you want to do then? Want to go for insurance?
You've got 30 grand.
Oh, fucking hell.
Life-changing cash every day.
Slow down, you prick.
There's the usual knob in a minute.
Yeah, now. Yeah, you dumb bastard.
No, your indicators don't work? No, of course they don't.
I'll do a collection for 8 o'clock because the collection is a hard dead stop. You've got to go and get it.
Yeah.
Sort of stuff. Oh, piss. Why have I come in this late? Oh, it's kicking off behind me. Got to go and get it. Oh, why have I come in this? Oh, it's kicking off behind me. He's annoyed 2 people now. Excellent. What in the... Excellent. What in the... Go on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Eee. Are you stuck? Stuck or broken down? One of the two, aren't you, mate? If I'm honest with you. Easy, Mr. BBW ads. Jeez, everyone's just struggling. I'm driving an automatic front wheel drive and I'm having no problems whatsoever. Slow and steady wins the race, and there's these people just flooring it, trying to get somewhere, and I'm overtaking them, doing what, 10 miles an hour? And then you run a red light. Drive like shit, slow, and then run a red light.
We put it out play last goal kick, and we've got a player. I think it might be. Is it Jordan Henderson?
Jordan Henderson, yeah.
Inside.
bastard. Yeah, then you go, around the red light, stuff coming the other way. That's why the light's red, mate, for your safety and others. Selfish bastard.
You. Oh, YouTube tonight. YouTube tonight. Oh,
Mate, get some lights.
Nice lights there, mate. Nice to see another delivery guy out there with his lights fixed. Oh, a couple of cyclists with the lights missing. Oh, they fell off, have they, mate? I'm going turning left in a minute, so there's not much point me overtaking. Oh, up there, no bloody lights on. Are you going left? Are you going straight on? What are you doing? You just sat there. Right, okay. It's the editor here from Robinhood Dash Cam. Cyclists, come on. If you're going to cycle in the dark, put some lights on. Light yourself up so you're visible. They're not exactly expensive. Do us all a favour. Now, where were we?
Thing! Why wants to go past me, didn't it? Past me, didn't it? Yes, you bitch. I'm slamming the indicator on in a minute, you watch. What the
too close! FH19 in it.
Cheese goes on after the grill. Kitchen TV.
Oh, old GTI. Very nice.
Dickhead! KP67.
Jim's 5 plays on 30.